Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a reliable backup of the history file. Once saved, pick lightweight tools like awk, sed, and grep to parse lines quickly. Define the fields you want in the index, timestamp, user or host, command, and optional tags, because consistent structure makes sorting and searching possible. Next, scan the file for variants in timestamp formats and note any multi-line entries. Once done, create a simple header row for the index output, so every downstream tool reads columns predictably. You now extract fields and normalize them into a clean stream. Run awk to split each line into timestamp and command, converting timestamps to ISO 8601 so comparisons work reliably. Make sure to trim whitespace and lowercase or preserve case depending on search needs. Once normalized, pipe through sort and unique to remove exact duplicates. Then apply a simple noise filter. Drop commands like ls, pwd, or empty entries, because a focused index improves relevance and reduces size for You produce the final index by exporting the clean stream to CSV or by importing into a small SQLite table with columns for ID, timestamp, command, file, and tags, include line numbers or a content hash for traceability. Compress the resulting index with gzip and enforce secure permissions so only intended users can read it. Once done, add a simple update script and cron job. If something breaks, check the backup first and validate timestamp parsing. Mismatched formats are the most common failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.